Nishika. I'm studying in 4th class.
Today.
EVS textbook. 17th lesson. Force, work and energy. Force is a pull or push that acts on a object. Force can move an object as well as stop a moving object. For example, we apply force to push the pedals of a bicycle to make it move. Similarly, we use force to press the brakes to stop it. Force can change the speed or direction of a moving object. It can also change the shape of an object. Types of force. There are the following kinds of force. First one, muscular force. The force exerted by the muscles of our body is called muscular force. For example, when you pull and swing or carry a bag, we use muscular force. Second one, gravitational force. The force by which the earth pulls an object towards it is called gravitational force. Third one, frictional force. A moving body slow down or stop on its own due to frictional force.